Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix fail to install BattlEye for GTA 5. So the first thing what I suggest to do here, if you're using some sort of third-party antivirus softwares like Avast McAfee or others, try to delete them or disable them and then try to install BattlEye and look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, then go to settings, then here go to Windows Update, and if there is an update for you, just install it, restart your computer and try again. If it's not working, then open up client where you have basically GTA 5. In my case, it's Steam. Right click on it, go to properties, installed files, browse. Then here you should find a BattlEye folder. So you just need to right click it, delete it. Then you can close directory, go to GTA 5, verify integrity of the game files, and BattlEye files will be basically reinstalled. And look after that if the problem persists or not. And also go to Rockstar Games Launcher, go to settings and make sure BattlEye here is enabled as well. And this should fix your problem. So yeah, that's basically it. And if I help you out, please press like and subscribe for more. Take care.